This is a Sweetlime wooden kazoo. It is a portable musical instrument which is known for its exceptional sound quality. It is built to be durable and it is proudly made in India. Unlike other wind instruments, the Sweetlime kazoo does not produce sound when you blow into it. Instead, it creates sound when you hum into it. Follow these simple steps to unlock the full potential of your Sweetlime kazoo. So watch it till the end. Try the do method. Instead of simply humming into your kazoo, experiment with do. Say it out loud. Do. Now sing in that do. Do. Feel free to switch it up by saying do or do. There are no strict rules, so have fun. Focus on pitch. Remember, the sound produced by the kazoo, it actually comes from your vocals. So when you hum into the kazoo, the plastic membrane inside this kazoo vibrates, creating a unique tone when combined with the wood. Now it is essential to work on your vocals and pitch accurately in order to produce a wonderful sound. Hold the kazoo from the broader end as the membrane is closer and it will vibrate more, resulting in a better sound. Explore pitch bending. If you've ever played a keyboard, you may be familiar with the concept of pitch bending. It has a pitch bending wheel which allows you to bend from one note to the other. You can apply the similar technique to your kazoo using your vocals, which allows you to create a saxophone-like sound. Sweetlime kazoo is a perfectly capable instrument of producing saxophone-like tones. Practice pitch bending notes like sa, re, ga, ma, pa to master this technique. Here's how you can do it. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa. And apply the same thing to the kazoo. By following these steps, you will fully unleash the potential of your Sweetlime kazoo. The Sweetlime kazoo comes with 4 extra membranes in addition to one already applied to your kazoo, making a total of 5 membranes. The additional membranes serve as backups. Now, when should you change your membranes? Ideally, you should never change your membranes unless they are damaged or your kazoo stops producing any sound. The sound of your kazoo will improve as the membrane ages and with frequent use. In the rare event that you need to change your membrane, it is a relatively simple process. 1. You'll need a screwdriver to remove the screws, partially, not all the way. 2. Remove the membrane holder. 3. Replace the membrane, tilting it slightly for the better sound quality. If you happen to lose your membrane, don't worry. You can easily obtain a replacement from your local stationery shop. Just ask for colorless gelatin paper, cut a square and create a new membrane. Alternatively, if this seems too troublesome, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp at 8655541810 and we'll send you extra membranes. If you have any questions, whether before or after purchasing a kazoo, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at the same number 8655541810 and we'll assist you as soon as possible. We hope you have a fantastic time playing your Sweetlime kazoo. Peace.